Welcome again to the Tuesday Newsday at CoinMarketCap's YouTube channel. I'm your host, Andrew, and this is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. Without further ado, the news. First up, in the ultimate case of no-take backsies, Twitter is accusing Elon Musk of knowingly violating an agreement to buy the social network. The firm, Wachtel, Lipton, Rosen & Katz, representing Twitter, says his termination is invalid and wrongful. Lawyers also challenge an assertion that Twitter has suffered a company material adverse effect, which would have enabled Musk to exit the deal without paying the $1 billion fee. Twitter went on to insist that the takeover deal has not been terminated, and the company is demanding that Musk and his partners comply with their obligations under the agreement. The attorneys also warned that they are willing to go through courts unless Musk pushes ahead with the deal. Voyager Digital has admitted that its customers may not receive all of their cryptocurrency deposits back. In a new update, the company warned exact numbers will depend on what happens in the restructuring process. The firm was thrown into financial chaos after Three Arrows Capital defaulted on loans worth more than $650 million. Payouts will also hinge on how successful Voyager is in getting these funds back. Customers are furious with the plans to compensate them. One wrote on Twitter, "What I want is my crypto. I don't want something you believe is best for the customers. We trusted you and you failed us." To make matters worse, new court papers claim that the embattled founders of the bankrupt crypto hedge fund, Three Arrows Capital, have yet to cooperate with liquidation proceedings. A photograph taken by Bloomberg shows the firm's Singapore office empty and locked up, with unopened mail scattered across the floor. Court papers also suggest that the whereabouts of Kyle Davies and Zhu Su are unknown, but their lawyers have insisted that they plan to cooperate. Liquidators are battling to ensure Three Arrow Capital's remaining assets aren't dissipated, warning this risk is heightened because the fund owns crypto and NFTs that are readily transferable. And finally, tougher international regulation for cryptocurrencies could be on the horizon. The Financial Stability Board says it's going to make recommendations for a crypto crackdown to G20 finance ministers and central bank governors in October. Its goal is to promote consistency internationally and avoid regulatory arbitrage, which could allow businesses and criminals to take advantage of relaxed rules in some parts of the world. In a statement, the FSB warned the recent turmoil in crypto asset markets highlights their intrinsic volatility, structural vulnerabilities, and the issue of their increasing interconnectedness with the traditional financial system. Just like how we're all connected for engaging with our YouTube channel and content. Yeah, that works. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. Alex is also interconnected with the internet itself because Alex is literally a part of the internet. Ask Alex in the description below for more info on our headlines or crypto in general. Alex is also a great resource on all things Web3 and that metaverse thing that Mark Zuckerberg is just in love with. And with that, these have been your headlines. I've once again been your host, Andrew, and we'll see you tomorrow.